This is a video about Windows Explorer. First, I'm going to open Windows Explorer by holding down the Windows key and pressing E. Now I want to talk about selecting files. I'm going to go into my Downloads folder. There are some files in here I want to delete. First of all, to select files in a block, you click on the first file and then you hold down the Shift key and select the last one, and that selects everything in a block. Then if I want to delete these, I can press the delete key, or I can go to the edit menu and choose delete. The file menu and choose delete. Am I sure? Yes, I am. Now I can select files that are not next to each other by clicking on the first one and then holding down the control key and selecting the other files. The same thing also works if you want to select files in a block and then exclude them. You hold down the control key and click on the ones that you want to exclude. In any case, you can delete them. This time I will right click and choose delete. And these go to the recycle bin where I can restore them back if I want to, and after some time the recycle bin will empty and then your files will really be gone. Now let's talk about copying files. I'm going to go to the folder for this class and the folder for this term, and I want to copy the files associated with the syllabus. So I'm going to select them, right click, and then copy. And now I'm going to scroll down to my flash drive, and I'll go into the folder for the course, but I don't have a folder for this term, so I will create a new folder, name it 2012 Summer. Now I'll double click to go into the folder, and now right click to copy the files into this folder. If you want to move files, you would cut the files and then paste them. Now I want to eject this from my machine. Ejecting is important because it makes sure that all the files have been written to your drive before you remove it from the computer. I'm going to right click and eject. And it's currently in use because I'm looking at it in Windows Explorer, so I'll say continue anyway, and now it says it is safe to remove hardware. And I can pull it out of my drive. Now let me open Windows Explorer one more time and let me show you how to add something to this Favorites menu. So I'll go to my Documents folder, and let's say that I want to take this Computer Science folder and I want to make that readily accessible. All I have to do is drag it over to my Favorites, and now I can access it whenever I want to. This concludes the lecture on Windows Explorer.